Hello farmers and gardeners, welcome back to the channel, Little Farms. And today we're going to be removing the forks off the Case IH. We have to send it in for repairs because the clutch needs to be replaced. So we're going to get a heavy duty clutch put on it. So I'll show you how we do this. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to put the stands up. So these are the stands right here. So we take the pins out. Take this pin out. Oh, hit the tyre. Right. Spin back in. Actually, I'll just go like this. Now, we'll just unwind this down a bit. Down, down. Right. Morning.
Oh, hello. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. Come on.
If I can put the pin back in. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. I'm trying to do everything one-handed. Alright. So I've got to take these hydraulic fittings off for the forks. And then undo the cam locks. Alright, so I started taking these off. Got to press record, funny enough. Hey, sorry about that. So I've got one more to go, I'll show you. So there's this little part here with some ball bearings and that in it. You can lift this up. This one's going to be pretty hard, so give it my best shot. There we go. Cool. We'll put the plugs in. No dirt and crap left in there. Cap on. This one. Probably going to be using this bit of steel, I guess. Bam. Take the lock out. The next one. I sort of stuffed that up because I was supposed to move this in the right position before I took all this off, so I had to put it back on, which was a pain in the butt because there was a lot of pressure in there and hard to get out with the pressure. Alright, got this one. Put that down here with this pin. Alrighty. So you can see in here, I have to get it above that notch that it sits in. So I'll have to raise it up and then drive back. Alright, we finally got it. Now I've got to take the fittings back off. The ground was a bit uneven, that's why I had a bit of trouble with it. But I got it eventually. And it was the first time I've ever done it too. So, you are able to watch me figure something out, I guess. So I'm going to take these fittings off, and then I'll back the tractor right out. Then they can come pick it up and we can get a repair. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Tell me what you thought, how I did. That's what it's like off the tractor. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun learning how to do that, but please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next week. Bye.